Welcome back to my daily report market analysis videos on Monday, 4th of November with me, Richard, pro-market analyst at Hantec. Let's have a look at cable, which has just stalled a little bit. My broad analysis of sterling dollar and sterling generally, I think in the next few weeks, given the fact that you've got this UK election, I think sterling is going to struggle for real upside traction. I think the dollar outlook is pretty mixed as well. So subsequently, you're likely to see sterling developing into a bit of a range play. And I think the candles we've had in the last couple of sessions really reflect that as well. Look at these momentum indicators, those MACD lines. Are they just beginning to edge over? They certainly have lost their traction. You've got similar arguments through the stochastics and RSI as well. This resistance that we saw on Thursday, 29.75, which is now your resistance, still continues to play a role on Friday, and again, sort of basis around there today. So subsequently, we're seeing this market just losing a little bit of impetus in that rally that it had previously. You're going to see some trading around the UK polling for the general election, which could see that sterling is dragged higher and lower, but generally speaking, I think the market is pretty much quietening down now. The average 2 range is down at 112 pips. Friday's range, wow, 48 pips. So it really is tightening up that those daily ranges, aren't they? And becoming ever quieter, I think, on cable now. And as I said, momentum indicators on the daily chart pretty much reflect that. RSI on the hourly chart just rolling over again, sort of neutral really, above 40 but below 60. MACD lines around neutral, stochastics again sort of neutralising a little bit. So we've got this fairly quiet outlook at the moment. You could argue below 29.25 sort of completes a little bit of a top pattern. You then sort of see the pivot around, or the old breakout resistance turning supportive at 29 figure, then 28.40 below that. So yeah, it's a little bit of a sort of a quietening outlook, I think you'd argue, on sterling dollar at the moment, and looking for direction. And I think it could well start to struggle for that. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos. Go to our website to sign up for our webinars.